The Trucking Safety Council of BC presents Safely Guiding and Spotting a Reversing Vehicle. Reversing is just part of a driver's job, but with an inexperienced guide, there is a real chance of accident or injury. This video is designed to give a non-driver or inexperienced person the essential knowledge to safely act as a guide for a reversing vehicle.
Hand signals for directing vehicles. Complex driving maneuvers require the use of a spotter for safety. The spotter's responsibility is to direct the vehicle operator and alert them to obstructions in the vehicle's path. Spotters must also alert pedestrians and traffic to stay clear of the danger areas. For clear communication, the spotter must maintain visual contact with the driver and use standard signals. Spotters and vehicle operators must agree on any additional signals before starting. Here are the standard hand signals. Proceed slowly forward or backward. Face palms in direction of desired travel. Bend both arms repeatedly toward head and chest and extend. Turns. Point one arm to indicate the turning direction. Bend active arm repeatedly towards head to signal continued turning. Distance to stopping point. Face palms forward with hands above head. Bring elbows forward and hands together. Stop. Cross both arms above head. Clear hand signals with distinct and purposeful body movements make for good communication between spotter and driver. Sight lines. Large vehicles have significant blind spots or areas outside the range of the mirrors and directly behind the vehicle. It is the responsibility of the spotter to safely direct the operator through these areas. When reversing, the operator can lose sight of the back of the trailer and where it is going. The spotter must maintain a position that gives views of approaching traffic, pedestrians, and obstruction hazards, is 3 to 5 meters behind the vehicle and to the side, keeping sight of the rearview mirrors. If repositioning is needed or visual contact is lost, all movement must stop immediately until contact is reestablished. The spotter must be aware of the surroundings while guiding the vehicle's path. Since a reversing vehicle pivots on its rear axle, the front must move through a wide arc to produce a relatively small movement at the rear. The longer the vehicle, the wider the arc. In forward turns, rear wheels do not follow the same path as the front wheels. This is called off-tracking and puts the mid-body or rear corner of the vehicle at risk. Understanding what the operator can see and how the vehicle will move are key to safe vehicle movement. Keep yourself out of harm's way. Before starting, be prepared for the responsibility of spotting by wearing high visibility clothing and take time to control or eliminate hazards. Have both the spotter and the vehicle operator review hand signals to be used and their meaning. Do a visual inspection of the desired path to identify potential hazards, such as personnel, overhead clearances, light fixtures, overhead cables, ruts and holes, and fixed objects that the spotter can be trapped against by the vehicle. Unless you are the spotter, stay clear of the vehicle's path when a vehicle is reversing or has reverse signals. Vehicle operators must use a horn before reversing the vehicle and always maintain eye contact. If the spotter must reposition, wait until eye contact is reestablished before resuming driving. While spotting, avoid walking backwards and never ride the vehicle. Spotters must stay to the side and 3 to 5 meters behind the vehicle so they can guide the vehicle and oversee obstructions in the area of operation. Identifying hazards and knowing how to deal with them keeps everyone safe. Safety driven. Driven to improve safety.